Does a speeding ticket always increase insurance? Have you ever wondered how a speeding ticket affects your car insurance rates? It's a common question, and the answer is not as straightforward as you might think. While many people believe that a speeding ticket will automatically lead to higher insurance premiums, that is not always the case. Insurance companies see speeding tickets as signs of increased risk. Speeding is often linked to a higher chance of accidents, so many insurers do raise rates after a ticket. On average, a single speeding ticket can increase your insurance premiums by about 20 to 25%. This could translate to hundreds of dollars more each year. However, not every ticket will lead to a rate hike. Several factors come into play when determining if your insurance will increase after a speeding ticket. First, consider how fast you were going over the limit. A ticket for driving just 2 to 5 miles per hour over the limit is less likely to cause a significant rate increase compared to a ticket for driving 15 miles per hour or more over the limit. Next, your prior driving record matters. If this is your first ticket in several years, some insurance companies may choose not to raise your rates. On the other hand, if you have multiple speeding tickets or other violations in a short time, you are more likely to see an increase in your premiums. The location and circumstances of the speeding violation also play a role. Speeding in a school zone or a residential area is generally viewed as more serious than speeding on a rural road. This could lead to a larger rate increase. State laws and insurance company policies vary widely. Different states have different rules about how speeding tickets impact insurance rates. Additionally, each insurance company has its own approach to assessing risk based on driving history. Once you are convicted of a speeding ticket, it typically appears on your driving record. Insurance companies review your driving record when it is time to renew your policy. If you successfully contest the ticket, or if it is reduced to a non-moving violation, your insurance may not be affected. In summary, while a speeding ticket often leads to higher car insurance rates, it is not a guarantee. The impact depends on various factors, including the details of the ticket, your overall driving history, and the policies of your insurance provider. Keeping a clean driving record without speeding violations is the best way to avoid premium increases related to speeding tickets.